Welcome to this introduction how to set up and configure Visitors Voice. Before you get started, make sure that you have Drupal 7 installed together with the Search API Solar module and the Visitors Voice module and the Pweek tracking module. So I'm going to use our demo of the premium version demonstrating this, which means that we actually been already tracking site search statistics since a long time ago. But anyway, you will understand how it works. So first, what you need to do is that you need to make sure that the integration with Drupal is working properly. So first you have to make sure you have the Search API Solar module installed and the Visitors Voice module installed. Second, you're gonna need to set the search URL. This is the URL that Visitors Voice use for communicating with Drupal. Basically, what you do is that you go to your Drupal website. We're using this demo site. You type in a search term, for example, about, and yeah, you can see the result list here, and you get the URL. And what you do is that you take the search term and exchange it for this token, sharp search term sharp, and then you cut, copy paste this URL into here. As you can see, it's already done. So we use this token for mapping the actual searches, so Visitors Voice would know what is the search term, like this, and then you save it there. Well, if you're using some kind of authentication for the Drupal site, you can choose like basic HTTP authentication here. You have to put in a username and a password. But we don't do that right now. Second thing you need to do is that you need to copy this access key. I mean, here it's a very short one, but for you in the normal version it would be a long string. And you go to the Visitors Voice module, which you find it in Search and Metadata, Configuration, Search and Metadata, and Visitors Voice. You copy, well, we already done that, but you can see here it's the access key that we copied from here. Then you have to choose which search index to customize, and in this case we only have one, so it's already selected, and then you save the configuration. We go back to the dashboard, so we define the search URL, and we copy pasted the access key into the Visitors Voice module, and now we can test the authentication. And yeah, the authentication was successful, as you can see. So this is what you have to do if you use the free version. The only thing you have to do if you use the free version. Now we established a secure communication between Visitors Voice and your Drupal website. But now we're using the premium version, so we should also define, we should also configure the site search tracking. So we go to this tab, and now we're going to use the Pweek module. So we have set up a Pweek account for you. So you can see here, Pweek site ID is 12, and we also have a Pweek HTTP URL, which is pweek4.adeptic.com in this case. It could look different for you. So we go here to the Pweek module, which we can find in Configuration, System, Pweek, after you install it, of course. And as you can see, we put in 12, and then we have pweek4.adeptic.com here. And then you just save it. And basically what this is doing is that if we go to the page and we look to the page source code, we search for Pweek. This module is basically putting this script to every site, every web page of your website. Yeah, and you can see this is the URL, and here you can see set site ID, it's 12. And I mean, actually, if you prefer, you can also copy paste this script yourself into a template. But we recommend the Pweek module since it's very easy to handle. Yeah, and when you have done this, you can try verifying the script. You can see the Drupal website configuration is okay. You can see the tracking script and tracking server is okay. Well, and now you can see that it's collected data this month. Basically, it takes a day before we actually collect some data, or you can see it inside Visitor's Voice. So if it's the first time you do this, this one would not be okay until the next day. Well, this is it actually. Now we integrated Visitor Voice with Drupal, and we're now tracking the site search statistics. Thank you. Good luck.